Karnataka Planning and Statistics Minister and senior Congress leader D. Sudhakar was laid to rest with full state honours in his native village in Chitradurga district on May 11th. He passed away at the age of 66 on May 10th after battling a prolonged lung infection. Sudhakar died at a private hospital in Bengaluru after undergoing treatment for several weeks. His death triggered widespread condolences from leaders across political parties. The Karnataka government announced 3 days of state mourning. The national flag will remain at half-mast and official celebrations have been cancelled during the mourning period. Schools and government institutions in parts of Chitradurga were also closed as a mark of respect. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah attended the funeral and paid his final respects to the senior leader. After the state honours ceremony, the Chief Minister handed over the national flag to Sudhakar's family members and consoled them. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, Speaker U.T. Khader, Ministers G. Parmeshwara, Ishwar Khandre, H.K. Patil and Lakshmi Hebbalkar, along with several senior leaders and officials, attended the final rites. Leaders remembered Sudhakar as a grassroots politician and a people-friendly leader who contributed significantly to irrigation, planning and rural development. A multiple-term MLA from Hiriyur, Sudhakar was known for his strong connect with the people of Chitradurga district. Thousands of supporters gathered during his final journey, marking an emotional farewell to one of Karnataka's senior political leaders.